Good morning, friends. Today I am going to do some little bit of padding to my this old helmet, which is my very favorite. So after using it for years, inner sponges are torn out and there is nothing left inside, and the helmet fits loosely now. So after thinking a lot what to do, I finally did a innovative thing. I took some thermocol which are given with our electronic goods as packaging, and with this knife I cut it the thickness to the half like this and put the thermocol into this inner lining, and now it fits very well. Okay, I can now wear it without worrying anymore. You can see I cut it like this in small pieces and with this type of thickness and put it into this inner lining. Okay, like this, and placed them serially in a line. You can do this. Don't glue it because you need to adjust it first. After it fits properly, then you can glue with this cloth and your problem will be solved. So it's now have become a new helmet like fitting, and my money is saved. So thank you for watching.